Yo, what's going on guys? Today I'll be showing you a quick tip if you're experiencing low hash rates with multiple cards. We'll be adjusting the virtual memory. You typically want to set the amount of virtual memory to be the total amount of memory on each card. On this rig I have 6 Zotac 1070s. Each card has 8 gigs of memory. Multiply that by 6 and you get 48 gigs. First, go to Start. Search Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Go to Advanced, press Change, uncheck Automatic, check Custom Size. I'm going to do 50 gigs just to be safe. Press Set, OK, then restart your machine and you should be good to go. Good luck with that and thanks for watching.